What if I told you that Dream Labs could take your projects from boring to breathtaking in just a few clicks? Oh my goodness. I'll show you exactly how. So right here. So I started it. This just blew my mind. Okay. I have some graphics experience, but this makes things so fast and easy. Absolutely anybody can do this. Check this out, okay? You see what I did here at the bottom, okay? My goodness. I'm working on my business. So I was doing a couple of things, but this is like, oh my God. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. I told it exactly what I wanted, and it did it just like that. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Create a digital. Create a digital illustration. Let's see. Create a digital illustration of a fashion of a woman with a short side swept hairstyle. Sorry about that. Rocking a girl with curves. Crop top and distressed high rise jeans. All right. She has a denim jacket on shoulders, hands holding it in place. And we're going to give it, okay, with a clean white background. Okay, let me look at this. Create a digital illustration of a fashionable woman that wants, okay. I don't know why it's doing that. We're going to worry about it. With a fashionable woman with a side swept hairstyle, rocking a girl with curves, crop top, and distressed high heel jeans. She has a denim jacket on her shoulders, hands holding it in place with a clean white background. I think that's a good start. Woo. Let's see what it does. Y'all, come on. Come on. Come on now. OMG. Come on. OMG. This one right here. This one right here. Okay. So we want to edit. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my goodness. Y'all saw how easy that was. Now, Watch this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I added a page because I want to. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Look at this. I can't believe how fast this is. I'm still amazed. Okay. And I've done a few now, but every single time, it does not matter. They come out gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do Magic Grab. And this is new as well. You have to have the pro version. Come on. You're not going to let me do the whole thing. I need all of her. Yes, I do. I need all of her. Oh, man. That's okay. This is what we're going to do. We're going back. Look at that. I don't know what it just did, but we're not going to worry about that because we are going to remove the background. Yep. There we go. There are glitches that I've noticed with Dream Lab. So you just got to work around it. They have enough other little apps that you can just fix it just like that. You saw how fast that was. Oh my goodness. Woo! So we can do anything to her. Let's see here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let us see. What are we gonna do? Well, first of all, we have some words missing, right? Girl with curves. All right. Don't necessarily need it though. Goodness gracious, I love this. Let us give it a background. Okay. And I like, let's give her a New York City skyline. You have to have a pro version to be able to do all of this. Right now, I'm actually on a trial. So check it out. See if there's a trial available for you right now. And jump on in. Okay. Oh my goodness. And drag that out. I'm just checking this out right now. I want to see how it looks. Do I like it? And we're going to put this to the back. I do like it. And then, let me see something. Oh, okay. Wouldn't let me do that. So let me grab it, pull it up. Trying to see a little bit more of that city here. Might have to change it. Still can't tell it's a city. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Let's see here. Let's find another one. This is real time, guys. Real time. Let's see. I like the colors. I like black and white, but I like the colors. So I was hoping I'd see something that looked more, not as cartoony, the background. Let's see. Mm. Mm. No, I don't like that one. Mm. Wow. Okay. 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 Yes, I like that. I'm feeling that. Yes. All right. This is what I'm. Okay. 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 I'm gonna keep this simple. I'm gonna keep this simple. Let us not that we keep it simple, but let's see. Um. Oh man, I like that. Mm, okay, so I'm thinking I want to use a pre-made one because it's just faster and easier. And that's what this is about. So let me pick one. Let's see here. Hmm. I don't like it. I don't like it. But I think you guys are getting the point in how easy it is to change the look. Okay? Because it is extremely easy. Mm, girl power. Girl power. So this is just to show you how easy this is, and that is all. Not really to design the full thing, but oh my God. Do y'all see this? You pick your colors, you pick your font. There's your graphic. You got a t-shirt, a journal. Oh, the options are endless. Just absolutely endless. Oh, let's see here. All you got to do, I'm going to have to save this, okay? Yes, I am. I'm going to have to save this. So this is girl power. I'm feeling that, okay? I am feeling that. Some kind of way I'm going to be incorporating her to something interesting. I hope somebody got something out of this video today, because I'm telling you, this was super easy. I'll see you soon. Bye.